How to fix Toca Junior app not working. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. First of all, make sure your internet is working properly. Then head to the Play Store. Now at the bottom right corner, tap on the source icon. Now simply tap on the source bar. Now search for Toca Junior. Now tap on Toca Junior and make sure to update to the latest version. After updating, go back to the home screen and open up settings on a device. Scroll down the notification panel and tap on the gear icon at the top right corner. Now scroll down and click on apps. Tap on app management. Now tap on the search bar. Now type Toca Junior. Now tap on search icon at the bottom right corner and click on Toca Junior. Now click on force stop. Tap on force stop. Now go to storage usage. Tap on clear data and tap on delete. Now restart the application. I hope this should fix the issue. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.